If you live in Southern California, you need to know about this. The airport fire in Orange County has exploded to 9,300 acres. Forced evacuations are underway as firefighters battle dangerous conditions. A severe heat wave with temps soaring past 110 degrees is making things worse. The fire is burning through dense vegetation and steep terrain, creating a perfect storm for rapid spread. And it's not just the airport fire. Southern California is facing multiple blazes. The line fire in the San Bernardino Mountains has already scorched over 26,000 acres, threatening Big Bear Lake. Resources are stretched thin, triggering a National Preparedness Level 5 alert. Strong winds expected later this week could make matters even worse. Poor air quality is affecting millions, and the risk of new fires is high. Stay safe, stay informed, and follow evacuation orders. This is serious, folks. Wildfire season is far from over. Subscribe for the latest updates on this developing story.